Have you been putting off starting an online business because you think it's too complicated? You're not alone. Starting your own business can be overwhelming for anyone, especially if you're not sure where to start. But here's the thing, growing your business doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, growing your business is a lot easier than you think. All you need is a few key tools and a step-by-step plan. Let's together walk you through what tools you need to get started, and give you a step-by-step guide so that when it's over, you will have all the tools and knowledge you need to start earning passive income right away. Select the service you want to build your business on. If you are looking to grow your business online, this is the right place to be. There are a variety of services and tools that will help you achieve your goals. These tools are built using industry-standard technology, so they are reliable, flexible, and easy to use. These services are geared towards helping your business grow. They also offer consult and training services to help you get the most out of these tools. 1. Select the products you will offer. This can be anything from a new technology gadget, jewelry, or makeup, to unique clothing items. Create a marketing plan for your business using the following steps. A. Research companies and websites similar to yours to see what budget they are spending on marketing and what types of marketing they are using, online advertising, TV and radio commercials, print ads, etc. Develop a marketing strategy for promoting your business based on what has worked for other companies similar to yours. This includes everything from newspaper ads, Google AdWords campaigns, magazine ads, and social media marketing. Create a website and landing pages. Online business is all about getting found by the right prospects. Creating a website that showcases your business, products, and services is essential to building online visibility. You can create a simple or elaborate website, or you can also use third-party platforms like Amazon and eBay to sell your products. A website should include the following features. Home page. About page. Contact page. Product or service page with ordering details. The privacy policy page. Terms of service page. Turn your website into a sales funnel. Your website is the hub of your online business model. You need to treat it like a sales funnel and constantly be generating leads for your business. It is the belief of many that the future of marketing and advertising is online. And while it is true that a lot of people are using the internet to buy products and services, not everyone has jumped on board yet. Nowadays, there are so many different ways to market your business online. With so much competition in this space, it can be hard to know where you should start. It's not enough to just have a website. You need to know how to market it, sell your products or services, and engage with your customers in order to grow your business. Make sure to check out our blog posts link in description for access to some helpful tools to help you grow and scale your business. Like and subscribe to our channel.